Huyu ng'ombe hana mimba. Ako negative. Hana mimba complete. Hana mimba. So for this animal, test negative for pregnancy. So I can feel the two horns and the ovaries. Jambo guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Remember to subscribe to Maxwell the Rural Vet and Beyond. Today I'm in Nyabikai and I want to do what we call pregnancy diagnosis. This is to ascertain if the animal is pregnant. But before I start, let me show you some stones here so that you look at those stones the way they are. Look at them. Let me put a back camera for that. Here we can see some animals grazing there. Those are the animals that I want to do some pregnancy diagnosis. Now have a look at these stones. Look at the way these stones look good. Yeah, let's climb in these trees, these stones. Yeah, we can see some other stones. One is on top of the other one. This is how rural life is. Look at those stones, one on another one. Yeah, look at the rural environment, the way it is encouraging. Yeah, these are the animals that I'm talking about. Have a look at them. So they have to restrain the animals so that I can do some pregnancy diagnosis. Utawafunga kwa muti? Funga kwa mti. Alafu sabuni kuje. Yeah. Of one of the stones here. Yeah, I've requested the farmer to take some to give me some piece of soap. You know, here in rural setting, we don't have something like lube gel so that we can it can soften the pathway of the rectum. So I'll just use our soap to do the entire process. Look at the way they are restraining the animal. Yeah, they're restraining the animal. So I have to get closer to the animal. You see now the animal is disturbing. So I have to go and look. These are the challenges that we're getting now. See, look at the animal. Yeah, these are the challenges that we have in a rural setup. Sometimes you get yourself alone. So to restrain an animal like this one, it takes a lot of time. Yeah. And maybe at the end of the day you don't even get anything as a reward. You know, sometimes in rural farming you have to help farmers out. Yeah, let us see the way they are restraining this animal. You see the owner of the animal is I think is upset because the other boy I think is just upset. He has to give the direction on how to tie this animal. Let's get near. I think I can guide them. So here I am going down the stones. Yeah, this is where the animal feed, maybe some other supplements, maybe napier. Yeah. Now here the animal, look at it. Utamshika tu mapua. Funga tu kabisa, funga kabisa. So this is the animal. Ifunge kabisa. The animal is mad. Mushike mapua. So they have to restrain the animal well. That is by pulling the nostril. Yeah, there we go. So let's proceed. Yeah, I'm waiting for a soap. Soap imekuja? Mimi kijana kuja nishikie kamera. Tutafanya tu peke yetu. Mulika tu ya ng'ombe, utanimulika vile naingiza mkono, sawa? Utasonga tu karibu na mimi. Nimulike hapa. Niko na light nyuma. Sawa. Huyu ako na mimba eh? Yes. Ako na mimba kama miezi 5 eh? Yes. So the first animal is pregnant, around 5 months pregnant. So when I've just put my hand inside, I can feel the kid, or rather the calf. So let's proceed to another animal. So leta ng'ombe mwingine. So I'll proceed to another animal. So that animal is in calf, around 5 months old. So I've felt the calf. I've felt the calf on the placenta, the calf on the uterus. So let's proceed to another animal. Let us see the way they are restraining the animal. There is the next animal. There it is. Yeah, that is a in a urban setting, pregnancy diagnosis can be done using ultrasounds, but here we just use our hand to test for pregnancy, and you must have experience for doing this. So we have to go with the animal slowly. So let them restrain the animal. Hiyo kamba ya shingo si ni refu sana. Punguza hiyo kamba. Let's reduce the length of the rope. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, in doing pregnancy diagnosis, you must use your left hand. I had to change to my left hand so that to feel the calf well. Let's proceed with the next animal. Huyu ng'ombe hana mimba. Ako negative. Hana mimba complete. Hana mimba. So for this animal, test negative for pregnancy. So I can feel the 2 horns and the ovary. Na ile mwingine. Huyo mkubwa. Acha akuje. For that animal, test negative for pregnancy diagnosis. So it is not in calf. So let's wait for the third animal. That is the last animal that I'm going to confirm the pregnancy. They was talking about that I'm using my hands to test for pregnancy, but when you go to other towns, maybe in towns, you'll get some people use ultrasound to check for pregnancy. But here we have not really reached in that not even reaching. Ultrasound is very expensive, so it is like around around $3,000 to get an ultrasound. That is not achievable at the moment, so it's when we are just starting. Yeah? So let's look at the third animal. Yeah, this is the third animal. You have to look at the pregnancy. Shika ya mapua, shika huyo mapua. This is the way how to restrain the animal. Sometimes it's hectic. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, sawa, iko sawa. Usinimulike glove kwa sababu na ng'ombe hiki tu ni chafu. Natumia tu, uliniambia ni mbili so narudia tu hii. Yeah, narudia tu hii.
Haina shida hiyo. Bado ni ng'ombe wake. Huyu ni mama yake na
yeah. Huyu pia ni negative hana mimba.
Sasa huyu ndio juzi hata alikuwa anataka ndume hiyo.
Huyu ni negative, hana mimba. Ako negative. Yeah, this animal is negative. This animal is negative. So as you have seen, sometimes we have to reuse the AI gloves because when I went to buy the AI glove, I just got one AI glove. Not one, I had two AI gloves, but I have to reuse them. So not even them, I have to reuse that another one for that another animal. So sometimes when need be, you have to do that. Yeah, because maybe of the shortage of the AI gloves, because you know I'm in a rural setup. Because when I was coming out of the shop, the farmer told me that we are going to do pregnancy diagnosis for 2 animals. So I only budgeted for 2 animals, but when I came to the farm level, now we have some 3 animals. So I had to do without telling the farmer that I can't do it, but I had to do it. So that's it about pregnancy diagnosis for animals. As you have seen, I've done a pregnancy diagnosis for 3 animals. One tested positive around 5 months pregnancy, but 2 have tested negative. Yeah, 2 have tested negative. So if you like this video, please make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Turn on the notification bar so that we can learn more about rural veterinary. Thank you. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel, that is Maxwell, the Rural Vet and Beyond. Thank you.